Welcome back to Channel Group, and today we are here in Shanghai at Meta Thinker exhibition, where you can see with your own eyes a large variety of robots, humanoids, and a very advanced technology that you can just experience here in China. Let's see it together. So now we stepped into the main area of the exhibition. Basically, this is like a reproduction of the Night City of Cyberpunk 2077, the famous video game. And yeah, that's amazing because there are a lot of robots, a lot of rooms where you can touch the AI, the advancement, the technology. The real technology is incredibly at a high level here in China.
What you're looking at now is Unit 3's latest G2 robot. Look at its movements, absolutely incredible. Its limbs move with amazing fluidity and flexibility. Can you believe it? This robot is dancing a traditional Chinese dance, and its moves are hilarious. Oh, wait, what he's doing? It looks like it's about to fall down.
So now I want to try to win a game against the robot. I want to play chess against him. So let's see who's smarter. Yeah, first I make my move, like for example, like this, and then I confirm pressing this button. So basically, if I want to win this game, I have to eliminate the king of the robot. It's quite hard because I think the guy is smart enough to beat me, but yeah, it takes a long actually to win a game. Let's see. It's very challenging. The first one is mine. Whoa! Why you can do this move here? What happened? I didn't understand. I don't want to say dumb, but we're not professional. While this robot is professional, he knows the combinations, all the moves. It's like playing against a pro player, so I mean, I can do anything. I can't beat him. Here you can see that there's a family who's playing football using the robots. They're using controller to move the robots. And finally, we found a game where I'm better than a robot. I can play football better than a robot, that's for sure. So here there's a restaurant which is not meant for humans but for robots, because the big heart over there is like the source of energy, and these hearts here are robots' hearts. So basically they are taking energy from the main heart over there and they are charging their batteries basically. So this is a restaurant for robots. Of course, AI is not just entertainment, but there's also an educational purpose that we can have through the use of AI. This room indeed is basically a room where they wanted to recreate a classroom where you can use AI actually to learn something, to teach something to people. And that's quite interesting. I mean, there are a lot of ways to use AI, and education is one of them. And next to the main area of the exhibition, there's another pavilion where you can find a lot of businesses that operate in this sector here in China. And these products, you can experience them in our tech tour in Shanghai downtown. Don't forget to check it out. And now let's see what there's here, all the products that are here in this exhibition. So here there are a lot of different stalls with a lot of purposes, but the most interesting one, in my opinion, is the humanoid over there. It's just a face. You can actually interact with him, and you can ask some questions, and the humanoid replies, and that's a real-time, real conversation as it was like a human being. So let's have a try.
It's a great day to go out for a walk.
Have a try. How do you feel today?
I don't have a physical way of getting here.
Fair
I'm
enough.
just here to communicate with you.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny and warm. A perfect day to enjoy the outdoors.
It's not that warm, but still acceptable. And one of the most popular products here in Shanghai related to the AI world is the robot machine that makes you a coffee. So I want a coffee, let's have a try. It's ready. It's beautiful. Look at that. It's really well done. Now, let's have a try. It's beautiful. It's a good coffee. 9 out of 10. Just because I'm Italian and I don't want to give a full score. That's why. Because otherwise it would be 10 out of 10. So that's all for today for this incredible exhibition here in Shanghai. I enjoyed everything here, every product that we tried. Probably the game against the robot, the chess game against the robot was the best part of the whole exhibition. And well, if you want to experience all these products in first person here in Shanghai, don't forget to check our tech tour. And yeah, that's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you next time.